Anita has been fighting for a long time, but the weight of her illness is becoming too much. The treatments are exhausting, and each day feels harder than the last. After thinking deeply about her situation, she makes a decision that shocks everyone. She wants to stop treatment. When she tells Vernon, the reaction is immediate. He refuses to accept it and tries to convince her to keep fighting. Bill also steps in, hoping to change her mind. But Anita is calm and firm. She has already made peace with her choice, and nothing they say can move her. Then, without warning, Anita disappears. She quietly leaves Fairmont Crest on her own, without telling anyone where she is going. For her, this is not about giving up, it is about taking control of the time she has left. She wants to spread it on her own terms, away from pressure, away from pain, and away from expectations. Her decision is emotional, but also deeply personal. She is choosing how she wants to live the rest of her life, even if it breaks the heart of those who love her. Before leaving, Anita writes a letter for Vernon. It is her way of explaining what she could not say face to face. In the letter, she revealed that she's going to Chicago to meet someone named Dante, an old friend from her past. This detail raises new questions. Vernon is stunned, not just because she left, but because he knows very little about this person. The name Dante feels important, almost like part of Anita's life that was never fully shared. The letter suggests that Dante is someone she trusts deeply, someone she wants to see during this final chapter. That connection hints at a history that may be more complicated than it seems. It could be friendship, or it could be something more that Anita was never revealed. Now Vernon is left with both fear and uncertainty. He does not know where Anita is, how she is doing, or what Dante truly means to her. The only thing he knows is that she chose to leave, and that choice may change everything. Will Vernon find Anita in time, and what truth will he discover about her connection to Dante when he does?